Alright, as I said in the last video, you can just put it on your hat too. The book light. Yeah. It look weird, but if you're working on something, you just have your hat and you have this. Provides a nice wide angle. So you don't have to point your hat right at whatever you're working on. I mean, just be advised it comes out pretty far, but, you know, just be careful. You know? Also, you do get one of these to put on your tent, like the awning thing. It's not waterproof or anything, so if it starts raining, you gotta take it off. Yeah, be a pretty cool little yard light thing. But and I said something about being, if some people make fun of you or something in the last video, because that just means you're different. I'm different too, don't worry. I don't mean any offense to anyone by that, because, you know, I have Halloween shit up all year round, so it's just what I like. I dress differently, who cares? So if you get offended or get wham baby about me saying, oh, this just means you're different, well, just remember me, I have wolf pictures on my wall. But I like buying flashlights too. Shit. Could say something else, but I forgot. It's always good to be different. Makes the world a less boring place. But you make a nice light for a tent. You just put on a little awning thing over the door. It'll go for 15 hours. And if the awning thing comes down like this, adjust it up. Yeah. But also I wanted to mention, since this ain't really that bright, so it appears it isn't as bright as the brightest thing. It isn't the brightest thing in the world, but when you go camping and the sun goes down, it gets dark quick, and it gets dark. I mean, if you don't have a full moon or anything, yeah, you ain't gonna be able to go like this, and you're not gonna see your hand. So this thing will shine like a fucking light in the dark. Huh? Light in the dark. Huh? Pretty cool. It's only like $6 or something, I think. Let's see. Reading light. Yeah, it was only $6. This one was $5. Flashlight, which one would you be? I think this one was $6. Flashlight. Yeah. I guess this one was a little bit more than I thought it was. This one was $5.48. Basically $6. It's always good to round it up, that way you include tax. The horrendous amount of tax that they charge you. Yeah, pretty cool flashlight. Yeah, so. Oh, and this one was only $20. At Walmart. I should be freaking getting paid for this shit. Walmart. The self-checkout's actually quite easy to use. Walmart. I go there a lot because it's just right across the street from where I live, so I walk up there in like 10 minutes. Alright, see ya.